Welcome to the January edition of CIS News. As we step into the new year, we are excited to share the latest updates, events, and achievements from Countryside International School. Let's take a look at the highlights of this vibrant start to 2025. Here's a closer look at the academic highlights of this month.
At Countryside International School, the love for reading continues to thrive through our ongoing readathon sessions. We are proud to share that 61 Sundays have been successfully completed with the readers of all ages gathering on campus to immerse themselves in the world of books. We invite everyone to be part of this wonderful literary journey. Join us every Sunday at CIS and experience the joy of reading, learning, and growing together. Let's continue to build a community that shows the power of books.
The Countryside Month session at CIS was a great reminder, bringing together young delegates to engage in thought-provoking discussions on the global issues. Students showcased their diplomatic skills and debated with passion and worked towards the impactful resolution, making it memorable and enriching experience for all involved. Empowered and informed, CIS scholars of grade 11 gained valuable insight at the Drugs and Cybercrime Awareness Campaign, building a safer and smarter tomorrow.
Here's a glimpse of celebrations that brought joy and excitement to our CIS community this month.
A big shout out to our CIS colleagues and educators for the mesmerizing performance which captivated the audience and filled the air with magic in the musical event arena. From heartfelt melodies to energetic tunes, every moment was a testament to the talent and hard work.
Our Republic Day celebration was a vibrant display of patriotism and unity filled with inspiring performances. Additionally, the pre-primary parents' sports day brought together families for a day of fun, competition and community spirit, making it a memorable occasion for everyone at CIS. Here's a look at our sports session where students demonstrated incredible skills, teamwork and dedication in various athletic events.
CIS Sports Day was a thrilling event filled with energy, enthusiasm and team spirit. Students showcased their enthusiasm through exciting race, games and relay event. The day was perfect blend for competition, camera height and sportsmanship.
Our scholars continue to shine with their sports achievement from selection to impressive in various competitions. CIS athletes demonstrated talent at Khel Mahakumbh. Here's look at the Khel Mahakumbh winners.
Congratulations to Ishan Kulkarni of grade 9 securing second place in chess zone level. His strategic thinking and his focus made him stand out in the competition.
Samar Zizuwadia of grade 8 clinched first place in long jump zone level. His exceptional athleticism and determination were on full display as he scored to victory.
Darshan Mahida grade 7 earned very well deserved third place in district swimming event competing in 100-meter category.
Shreya Patel grade 6 secured second place in running 200 meters zone level.
Vivan Aire grade 8 achieved 4th place in 400-meter running and 3rd place in 600-meter running event zone level.
Riti Bavadia grade 5 emerged as the winner in district lawn tennis event, securing first place.
Dhairya Desai grade 7 triumphed in chess competition, claiming first place zone level.
Arul Limbasa grade 4 took second place in swimming 100-meter freestyle event district.
Hed Desai grade 6 excelled in zone level in 200-meter running event, securing first place.
Mantra Tandil grade 7 claimed first place in zone 100-meter running event.
Rahi Shah grade 8 demonstrated exceptional strength and balance to secure first place in zone level in yoga competition.
Vidhi Sheta of grade 8 earned second position in zone chess competition. Her sharp mind and strategic thinking skills made her a powerful contender in the game.
Naisha Lalwani of grade 9 proudly secured third place in district lawn tennis event.
Our skating champions showcased remarkable skill and speed at Khel Mahakumbh, with Sachi Patel clinching first place in both the 1000 and 500 meter events. Rehan Patel secured third place in 1000 meter event. Mahin Patel earned second place in 500 meter, and Dhyan Patel achieved third place in 500 meter, making CS proud with their outstanding performances.
Creativity and talent took center stage as our scholars participated in the prestigious Kala Mahakumbh competition. They made us proud by winning in various categories and even securing selections for the district level. Let's take a look at our talented winners.
In Vakrutva Spardha, Varda Targ won the first position.
In Bharatnatyam, Prajna Vadir secured the third position and Krishna Priya Engineer stood first.
Moving on to folk song, Ashi Desai bagged the third position, while Veer Rathod and Rudri Mehta both secured first positions.
In Sugam song, Yashvi Agravedi stood second, and in Lagna Geet, Angel Tejani claimed the first position.
Our tabla masters also shined. Nivan stood third and Manya secured the second position.
In keyboard, Ishan Kulkarni claimed the third position.
And for the district level group song selections in 6 to 14 years category, our scholars secured the second place. Congratulations to Adya Rathod, Soumya Gabani, Prathvi Shah, Naisha Deshwani, Arav Jholapara, Vivan, Krishiv Ghayal, Tanmay Sharma and Vivan Jasani.
For the 15 to 20 years category, our talented scholars also stood second. Well done to Arachi Lotwala, Krisha Maniyar, Paul More, Angel Dhamelia, Angel Pandey, Alisha Patel and Yashvi Patel.
That's wrap up for January news. Stay tuned for more exciting updates next month. See you soon with our February highlights.